Hello, parents. Let's talk about separation anxiety. This is an anxiety that is felt by all human beings at any age group, any gender, when they are separated from their loved ones or their primary caregivers, or for that matter, any pet as well, or any immovable property as well. But today, let's specially talk about this anxiety with respect to children. So, parents, children often face this kind of separation anxiety, and they have n number of reasons to face these. Is like, for example, when they move classes, when they go from school to university, that time they miss their friends. Then also little children, when from nursery they go to KG, or maybe when a parent moves a location, or maybe when parents separate, or also when grandparents pass away, or uncle aunties move out, or maybe they move out of their comfort zone. So there are n number of reasons, why children face this kind of an anxiety. And parents, if you don't address it at this particular stage, whenever they are facing it, it's really going to lead for a long time problem, and it could really be very detrimental. Hence, I'm bringing this topic to you today of separation anxiety. So parents, whenever there is a separation, please notice the changes that your children would face. For example, the child would be very irritated, the child would be very cranky, the child would be very argumentative, the child wouldn't want to eat, it could be loss of appetite. The other way around, the child also would be binge eating, basically to overcome this kind of anxiety, this kind of emotion. Okay, or maybe your child can't focus in the studies, or can't focus in anything, and the child is absolutely lost. So these are the telltale signs of separation anxiety, parents. So how would you address it? Is by being a good listener. Please listen to your child, don't react. Speak to your child about the separation, very important, because you need to prepare them, and also at the same time watch their habits very well. Just observe them very well so that you can address the topic. And worst case scenarios, parents, go and take help from a counselor or a child psychologist or a parenting coach. These are ways to get rid of child this kind of separation anxiety, because if you don't, then parents, it is long term detrimental effects. Hashtag happy parents.